Welcome to the DAX Builder Training video series. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a website from a website template. Go to the header menu and click on the new site. Now you will be redirected to our Done For You template library. Here you can choose templates from our template library. Choose template of your choice. Now give the name. You can now customize your chosen template. You can change headings. You can change the web address of your buttons and URL. You can replace and upload images from your local. Just resize the image by drag and drop method. You can adjust the template, like visibility, opacity, padding, margin, border, shadow, color, etc. You add pages to your template. You can add additional codes like CSS and JavaScript to your template if you want. You can publish your template site. You can send forms to your mail. You can also download and export this to your own FTP server. Click on Save and your template is ready. You can edit, preview, or delete it. Thanks for watching the video.